BLD 498, Focus Problems in Clinical Laboratory Science, is a senior-level comprehensive course offered to the students majoring in clinical laboratory science. Once graduated, our students will be dealing with all the lab tests ordered by the physicians in the clinical setting on a daily basis. The course is a combination of lecture and lab, with the wet-dry laboratory sessions being an integral part of the course. To flip the hematology session of BLD 498, a series of soft chalk lessons are designed and developed to help students grasp the basic and clinical concepts in diagnostic medicine before coming to the flipped class for team-based learning. The lessons are created using a combination of tools including Camtasia, EduCreations, Panoptic, and soft chalk. The lessons are designed for students to learn to interpret the test results step by step by following the instructor repetitively while exploring the basic and clinical concepts in hematology. Students' learning and practice are recorded and graded instantly as they work through a variety of quiz problems and exercise activities embedded in the lessons. The interactive soft chalk lessons allow students to check their learning constantly and to learn from their own mistakes immediately. The lab components of the session are delivered by use of digital microscopy captured by Camtasia. The traditional hematology slides are digitized by scanning with Panoptic. The program can digitize any stained or unstained slides, such as peripheral blood smears and bone marrow preps. The digitized specimen allows students to observe the specimen at different magnification levels, just like observing the traditional slides under the traditional light compound microscope in real time, except the images are always clear with high quality. Instead of showing a static image at a time, the whole didactic process of exploring, discovery, and identification of specific structures, cells, or tissues on a slide are recorded by Camtasia and showcased to the students. Such didactic process is crucial and essential for training students who will work in clinical diagnostic laboratories. The more comprehensive and advanced knowledge of hematology is introduced to students by interactive recorded lectures designed with PlayPosit, a tool for creating and sharing interactive video lessons. 8 different assessment activities including multiple choice, fill in the blank, short answer, multiple answer, or polling questions can be embedded anywhere within the recorded lecture. Students' understanding of the information is tested as they play the video, and their performance on the activities is recorded in the gradebook, which can be exported or integrated with the D2L gradebook. The data collected by the program on students' performance on those activities not only gives students immediate feedback on their learning, but also offers insights to the instructor on students' understanding of the information. For example, the instructor can quickly pinpoint the learning objective that is missed by the specific number of the students from the monitor screen of the program. PlayPosit also promotes interactions between the teacher and the students by allowing students to evaluate the interactive recordings and provide feedback. The instant feedback on teaching from students provides a useful tool for teachers to optimize their teaching on a constant basis. Students access all soft chalk lessons and PlayPosit interactive recorded lectures via D2L. The lessons and lectures are scheduled strategically so that the students are prepared before they step into the face-to-face classroom for team-based learning, or TBL. A typical TBL session in the classroom is started by a mini-quiz, and most questions are case-based. Students finish the quiz independently by using iClicker. Then they are divided into groups to discuss the questions until each group reaches an agreement on the answer. The group answers for each question are collected one at a time. The class debate is initiated when the groups have different answers to the same question. The whole class doesn't move to the next question until all groups agree on the same answer to the question. Questions, either from the instructor, who is now acting as the facilitator, or students, are driving forces that move the debate forward and engage purposeful and meaningful learning. Compared to the students in the class of 2016, the class of 2017 performed significantly better on the same exam after class renovation using a variety of web tools and technologies. There is no doubt extensive design work needs to be done beforehand to flip a classroom elegantly and successfully. Motivating students to prepare for the class has been a constant challenge when flipping a class, and a flipped classroom of team-based learning, meticulous planned, well-designed, and orchestrated in-classroom discussions look very student-centered, yet it does require a lot of effort from the facilitator behind the scenes. Here, the seamless integration of a variety of technology tools with solid content, effective teaching pedagogy, and teachers' creativity has made learning more active, productive, and collaborative.